If I told you there's a simple 10-minute morning routine that can make manifestations come faster, clearer, and almost magically, would you believe me? Because I didn't. Not until I tried it myself. This routine didn't just shift my mindset, it shifted my entire life. Money came unexpectedly. Opportunities appeared out of nowhere. People started treating me differently, and my days became calmer, clearer, stronger. Today, I'm going to share the exact morning ritual that turned my manifestations from slow and inconsistent to fast, powerful, and unbelievably aligned. And I'm not giving you theory, I'm giving you a real story and a system you can start tomorrow morning. Let's begin. The first part is the truth about mornings. Before I discovered this routine, my mornings were chaos. I would wake up, scrolling my phone, check notifications, feel stressed before the day even began. I didn't realize I was destroying my vibration every single morning. And then one day I read something powerful. Your subconscious mind is most open in the first 20 minutes after waking. That means your energy, your beliefs, your self image, your vibration are all shaped by your first thoughts and actions. Suddenly it clicked. My mornings were blocking my manifestations. So I decided to change one thing, my morning vibration. And what happened next felt unreal. The first sign I got, the first day I tried this morning routine, I didn't expect much. But something strange happened. I felt this calm confidence, like I was aligned, connected, supported. That same day, I received a message from someone offering me a small freelance project I never applied for. The next day, someone paid back money I had forgotten about. And then, a few days later, a big opportunity landed in my lap. At first, I thought it was luck. But then I repeated the morning routine again and again and again and again. And the more consistent I became, the faster things manifested. That's when I realized your morning vibrations sets the frequency for your entire reality. And now I'm going to give you the exact routine. So step 1, I call it the 60-second rule. The moment you wake up, before touching your phone, place your hand on your heart. Take a slow breath in and say out loud or in your mind, today, I choose alignment, I choose abundance. This immediately switches your brain from stress to expansion. Most people wake up in survival mode. This routine puts you in creation mode. Why it works? You activate your parasympathetic nervous system. You calm your subconscious. You open your energy field. This tiny habit alone changed my life. Now comes step 2. This is morning gratitude frequency. This is very important, my friends. Next, I took a notebook and wrote 3 things I was grateful for, but not generic gratitude. I wrote gratitude as if my manifestations already happened. Like this, I'm so grateful. Money flows easily into my life. I'm grateful for the opportunities coming to me today. I'm grateful for becoming my best version every morning. Writing gratitude for your future reality tricks your subconscious into believing it's already true, and the universe responds. The first time I did this, I felt chills. It felt like someone had turned on a light inside me. This is the frequency where manifestations thrive. Now comes step 3, the 3-minute visualization. Sit in silence for 3 minutes. Yes, just 3 minutes. Close your eyes. See your dream life. Feel it. Step into it. Use all 5 senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What emotions do you feel? What are you becoming? I remember one morning during my visualization, I imagined receiving a big payment notification. Later that week, I received a deal worth even more. Visualization is not just imagination, it's energetic rehearsal. Your brain literally starts rewiring itself. This is manifestation science. Now comes step 4, morning affirmations that actually work. You don't need 50 affirmations. You need effective ones. Here are the ones that changed everything for me. I am aligned with abundance. I magnetically attract opportunities. Everything is always working in my favor. I'm becoming the best version of myself. Money flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. But here's the secret. Say them slowly. Say them with emotions. Say them as if they are already true. Affirmations without emotions means no manifestations. Emotion is the fuel. Now comes the step 5. This is the one aligned action rule. Manifestation without action, but manifestation with aligned action works 10x faster. At the end of the morning ritual, I wrote down, what is one action today that gets me closer to my dream life? Not 20 tasks, not a long to-do list, just one aligned action. Just one. Some days it was sending an email, recording a video, learning something new, cleaning my space, taking care of my mind. This single habit created momentum, and momentum attracts manifestation. Always remember, momentum plays an important role to attract manifestations. On day 7 of this routine, I faced the test. My day started badly. I was stressed. Someone argued with me. Everything seemed off. Old me would have let this ruin the entire day, but new me remembered. Your external world reacts to your internal state. So instead of spiraling, I took 3 deep breaths, reset my vibration, and continued my routine. Within hours, everything shifted. That same evening, I received a message that filled me with hope. That moment taught me it's not about a perfect morning, it's about returning to your vibration. After 14 days of this morning routine, my manifestations didn't just come faster, they came in a way I couldn't even predict. Unexpected money, better opportunities, clearing thinking, happier days, stronger self-belief, higher vibration, better people around me. It felt like I unlocked a new timeline. This routine didn't just change my mornings, it changed my frequency. And when you change your frequency, your entire life shifts to match it. Here's the exact routine. I'll again tell you time stamped. First, heart activation plus intention. Like today I choose abundance. Then comes gratitude for future manifestations. Write only 3 things. Then comes visualization. See your dream life. Feel it. Then comes affirmations with emotions. Speak as if it is real. You have to feel it. You have to feel that it is with you. You are living that life. It is real. Then at last comes one aligned action for the day. Choose your step. If you do this every morning, your reality will shift. Definitely it will shift. This morning routine is very, very simple, but it is powerful beyond belief. Try it for just 7 days and watch how your manifestation speed changes. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe and comment. I will do this every morning because when you commit, the universe responds. I will see you in the next video. Your new reality is already on its way.